Success is not an overnight achievement. It requires consistent effort, dedication, and a positive mindset. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to become disheartened, distracted, or demotivated, and overall well-being. The most successful people in the world all have one thing in common: a positive mindset. The way you think and feel about yourself will guide your actions, decisions, and behaviors. An optimistic mindset stimulates creativity, motivation, and perseverance. It helps you navigate through challenges and setbacks and maximizes your potential for success. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression and increase overall life satisfaction. A positive outlook can also improve job performance, productivity, and teamwork. Practicing gratitude can shift your focus from negative to positive thinking. It can improve your emotional well-being, enhance relationships, and increase overall happiness. Visualization helps you create a clear picture of your goals and motivates you to take the necessary steps to get there. It enhances focus, stimulates creativity, and improves self-confidence. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce positive qualities and beliefs about yourself. They can help you overcome limiting beliefs, reduce negative self-talk, and increase self-confidence. Mindfulness reduces stress. It involves paying attention to your thoughts. Self-care is essential for maintaining a positive mindset. It involves taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Incorporating gratitude, visualization, affirmations, mindfulness, and self-care into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your overall success and life satisfaction. Take control of your finances today. Start your journey to financial success with New Money Millionaires.